Now, I would like to say well done to these students, Jasmine, Jervin, Jiaping, Raha, and Kaihan, because you have submitted your answers. All right, so I can actually see your answers in an Excel file. Okay. Now, the rest of you, please make sure you submit your assignment before the tutorial. All right, otherwise you will not benefit as much. Okay, Marisa, you submitted a few minutes before tutorial, is it? Because I generated the report like 10 or 15 minutes before the tutorial starts. All right. So if you have done it, okay, good job, Marisa. But I can't generate a report just 1 minute before tutorial. I have to generate much earlier to prepare. All right. In fact, I have generated yesterday. Okay, but only 1 or 2 of you have submitted yesterday. Okay, let me mark attendance for Skylar. Okay, hi, Skylar. All right, please turn on your camera. Thank you. Okay, it's okay. All right. So, last week I talked about assigned syllabus file. Now, I think I given you the wrong link. The link that I given to you is the format of the paper. Right, when I open up, I realize, okay, so this is the correct link. All right, so you can, when you download the class notes after today's tutorial, you will have these PowerPoint slides as class notes. All right, so you click on the class notes button. So you can click on this link that will give you the science syllabus. It will help you in revising for P3, P4, P5, and P6 science. All right, for you, it will be P3, P4, P5. It's one whole document which you will use when you prepare for PSLE next year. Okay. All right, let's continue. Okay, so throughout the whole tutorial, I'll be using the chat. So please answer my question in the chat. If you're not sure, just type not sure instead of keeping quiet. Okay, so there is no stupid answer in Miss Ivy's class. So all answers are respected. It's okay if you get the wrong answer today, but after today's tutorial, you should get all the correct answers. So do not worry if you type in the wrong answer in the chat, do not worry about that. All right, so if you need to get water or go to the toilet, please go ahead. Just inform me in the chat. Just type in the chat, I'm going toilet or I'm getting a drink. When you're back, just type I'm back. All right, so this is an ongoing promotion. Please continue to share 88 Tuition with your friends and family using your referral code so that your friends and family got 25% off. You also get 25% off. So win-win situation. All right, let's start. Okay, so which one is correct? So once they ask for which is correct, you will put a tick. All right. So for this question, right, I would say that looking at the generated report, half of you got this wrong. Okay, so can I get everybody to participate in this question? All right. So which one is the correct one? Especially for Jaslyn and Kaihan, would you like to try again? All right, because your submitted answers are not correct. You want to try again? All right, but it's very good that at least you have tried. Okay. Okay, good job, Jaslyn. Good job, Kaihan. The rest, what's your answers? Give me your answer and type it into the chat. Okay, not sure, just type not sure. Okay. So the rest of you, I'm still waiting for the answers. I have 10 students, but I only have 2 responses. Good job, Marisa. So 3 correct answer. I'm waiting for 7 more. Can y'all please hurry or you're still thinking, is it? All right. Now we will think together then, okay? So that we save precious lesson time. Oh, hang on. Just a minute. Now, I think I click end. Let me go back to home. Okay. This one. Okay, so let's do this together. Now, if bulb A fuses, so I'm going to cross it out. All right, so if bulb B fuses, I cross out bulb B. Then bulb C fuses, I cross out bulb C. If bulb D fuses, I cross out bulb D. Okay, so I will use a highlighter then. I'll use blue. Now, if bulb A fuses, all right, is there any closed circuit? Can everybody type into the chat? This one. Is there any closed circuit? Or rather, you can tell me bulb BCD, which bulb will light up? BCD, which bulb will light up? If A fuses. All right, if A fuses, BCD, which one will light up? Good job, Kaihan. Good job, Jiaping. The rest of you? All right. So if A fuses, you will realize that actually none of them no bulb will light up. Okay, so no bulb lights up. All right, simply because if you don't believe, you try. I'll use my laser pointer. Let's say you always remember the current can come out from the longer line, but it must go back to the shorter line. Or current can go out from the shorter line, I must go back to the longer line. Now, the longer line is actually known as what? Is it the positive or negative terminal? Can you type into the chat? Longer line is positive or negative? All right, longer line of the battery, positive. So one battery, all right, every battery will be one long line and one short line. Okay, so this is one battery. So plus and minus. Long line is plus, right? So this is plus, minus, plus, minus. All right, so if you follow my laser pointer, if I come out from the plus, you notice that, alamak, the current cannot pass through bulb A because bulb A fuses. All right, so current cannot pass through here. All right, so then you will say, now how about I go by the other way around? Okay, let's try. If you can go the other way around, but then you notice that no matter how you do, you cannot go back. So there is no closed circuit. All right, so the current, all right, cannot flow through bulb A. So the current is very intelligent. Actually, no current will even come out from the battery, zero current. Please do not get this wrong. Some students thought that the current will come out and then light up bulb C, light up bulb B, and then the current will stop here because here like there's a broken road. The current cannot pass through. Now that is a wrong concept. That is a wrong concept. All right, so please don't think that the current will pass through here and then stop here. No, the current is very intelligent. The current knows there's no closed circuit. The current will not even come out from the battery. So zero current will come out. So no current will come out because there's no closed circuit. You can try here. No closed circuit here because bulb A fuses. You can try the longer way. Also, you cannot go back to the other end of the battery because bulb A fuses. So no bulb lights up. Let's take a look at bulb B. What happens if bulb B fuses? Can you analyze this and tell me which bulb lights up? Everybody type into the chat. If bulb B fuses, which bulbs will light up? Type into the chat. If bulb B fuses, which bulb will light up? Okay, well done, Kai Han. The rest of you, I'm waiting. Well done, Hao Tian. Giselle, that's wrong concept, but thank you for responding. Jia Ping, wrong concept. Okay, but good job. Actually, good try. Okay, so Giselle and Jia Ping. Jervin also wrong concept, you see. So you are weaker in electricity. So watch my highlighter. I'll use blue. So current can pass through this way. If I go this way, I don't have a closed circuit, right? I cannot pass, the current cannot flow through B. So there is no closed circuit, so I cannot go this way. All right, so I will erase. How about going the other way around? Do I have a closed circuit? All right, everybody take a look. Do I have a closed circuit? Yes, right? So it is one closed circuit, okay? So over here, you can see it's a closed circuit. So current can flow through this way and then go back to the other end. So come out from one end of the battery and go back from the other end. Or you can come out from this batch, from this end also can, must go back to the other end. So this is correct. This is also correct. All right, so this is a closed circuit. Therefore, the bulbs that will light up will be bulb A, bulb D, and bulb C. So 3 bulbs will light up. Is everybody clear? All right, so bulbs A, C, D will light up. Is everybody clear? Those of you who got it wrong. All right. Okay, so I hope after today you will not get this wrong again. This is a very important concept. So Giselle, Jervin, Jia Ping, and yeah, 3 of you, if you still don't understand, please don't be shy. Just type into the chat, I don't understand. Please help yourself by typing into the chat and say you don't understand if you don't understand. Don't pretend that you understand. Then you are going to waste your parents' hard-earned money for this tutorial. All right, your parents pay for this tutorial, right? So make sure you understand. Don't understand, never mind. Just type in the chat that you don't understand. All right. So always try to find a closed circuit. Okay, always find a closed circuit. Closed circuit means the current come out from one end of the battery must go back to the other end of the battery. This is a closed circuit. All right, so bulb A will light up, bulb D will light up, bulb C will light up. Now the current cannot go this way because bulb B fuses. All right, so B will not light up, only A, D, C will light up. Let's take a look here. What happens if bulb C fuses? Everybody type into the chat which bulbs will light up. All right, type into the chat which bulbs will light up. Okay, good job, Kai Han. Good job, Giselle. Good job, Hao Tian. The rest, which bulbs will light up? If bulb C fuses. All right, if bulb C fuses, which bulb will light up? Jia Ping, wrong concept. Later, please take a note for that. Good job, Raha. Good job, Javin. All right, now let's take a look. So always try, Jia Ping, you're correct already. So you see, look at my laser pointer. Let's say the current go this way. Then you see, I cannot go back. I cannot go back to the other end. I'm supposed to go back to the other end, right? From one end of the battery, current must go back to the other end. But here, bulb C fuses. But if I try the longer way, also I've got a problem. Bulb C fuses. So no bulb will light up. So no matter you go this way or this way, there is no closed circuit. All right, because bulb C is a gap here. There's a break. It's like a broken road. The car cannot pass through this part of the road. Okay, so here, no bulb lights up. All right, now can you analyze for the last one? What happens if bulb D fuses? All right, can you analyze which bulbs will light up? Okay, well done, Giselle. The rest, which bulbs will light up if bulb D fuses? Okay, well done, Kai Han. So I got 2 perfect answers. The rest of the 8 students, 8 of you, I'm still waiting. What happens if bulb D fuses? All right, bulb D fuses, which bulbs will light up? Well done, Jia Ping. 3 correct answers. Raha, well done. 4 correct answers. Javi, well done. 5 correct answers. Marisa, well done. 6 correct answers. I'm waiting for 4 more. All right, 4 more students have not responded. If bulb D fuses, which bulbs will light up? Hao Qian, what is your answer? You have not given me your answer. Hui Mei, what is your answer? No answer yet. Okay, Hao Qian, well done. Hui Mei, Skylar, I don't have your answers. All right, so all the bulbs will light up. You can see that there's a closed circuit here. All right, so there's a closed circuit here. So bulb A, bulb B, bulb C will light up. Now you can go the longer way. If you go the longer way, there is no closed circuit because here D fuses. So you cannot pass through D. Okay, so let me highlight. So the closed circuit is this way. All right. So let me write down what it means by the highlighted part in blue. So blue is the closed circuit instead of open circuit. All right, so the bulbs that will light up will be A, B, and C. All right, so A bulb A, B, C light up. All right, is everybody clear about this? Now take note that as long as you notice, if you have a bulb that's just next to the battery, very close to the battery, A is very close to the battery. C is also very close to the battery. In fact, A is just next to the battery. C is next to the battery. If bulb A fuses, end of the story. All right, no closed circuit. If bulb C fuses, also end of the story. No closed circuit. No bulb lights up. So take note of A and C because A is next to the battery. C is next to the battery. All right. So once you understand these concepts, therefore this answer will be D. All right, so if C fuses, All right, there is no closed circuit at all. All right, let's move on. Now,